Yo, morning everyone. So I'm here at Heathrow Terminal 5 and I'm going to embark on a really long journey. Long haul, first to Milan, then to Hong Kong, and then to the Philippines. So about 20 hours total in travel. It's 5 a.m. and it's pretty quiet here so far. So I'm flying to Milan first. 7:35.
In the next scene, you'll see me walking around Malpensa airport, and it was very rushed as it was already the final call. We were around 100 in total, rushing to our flight. So what do you get on board? You get headphones, pretty good noise cancelling headphones in premium economy. You get this Amenity Kit, canvas, really nice. I'll showcase the stuff inside later on. You also get a bottle of water, handy for a long haul flight. Get a blanket, which is pretty warm. You also get the Cathay magazine, a rare find nowadays. And here's the in-flight menu. I was offered nuts, a choice of orange juice and water. I don't remember being offered any Prosecco or even champagne. But for goodness sake, paper cups in premium economy? What's up with that? And here's just an overview of the premium economy seat on my flight. So let's have an overview of the seat. It's a pretty old seat, and for some reason that remote is weirdly positioned. You've got a small hideaway glass drink holder, and you've got a leg footrest, which is quite nice to see. I remember seeing these back in economy when I was traveling when I was a lot younger. In terms of the in-flight entertainment system, as you can see, it's old, really old, and the cabin's just old in general. And I know for a fact that these cabins will be replaced with the new premium economy cabin starting in 2025. In terms of the amenity kit, you get this really nice canvas pouch with the Sydney illustration on it, and inside you would find socks, toothbrush and toothpaste, an eye mask, earplugs. Really good stuff, I'd have to say. In terms of meals, there are two meals that were being offered throughout the flight. The first meal was lunch, and I chose the beef with black pepper sauce, chum soy and steamed rice. As you can see, they provide a small, very small Haagen-Dazs ice cream. You get a nice fruit bowl, a salad with couscous and salmon. You also get butter with cream cheese and crackers. Overall, I really enjoyed the meal. It was really delicious and definitely 8 out of 10. It was also a nice touch to have that piece of dark chocolate at the end, and of course, metal cutlery. Now onto the in-flight entertainment system. As you can see, my screen was very flimsy. Oops. Generally, I was pretty disappointed, especially with the price I paid for the premium economy experience I was getting on Cathay Pacific. The movie and TV selection was pretty good. It was huge. There was so much to watch. You'll never get bored on the flight. They've got the latest movies there, so definitely be occupied watching movies or TV. There was a large selection of Asian movies, specifically Hong Kong movies. There was HBO Max, Paramount Plus. There are excellent options to watch in terms of movies and TV shows, so you'll never get bored on your long haul trip. I'll give you guys a quick overview of the in-flight entertainment system. Let me know what you think and how it compares to your experiences flying with other airlines. You can tell I was sort of struggling with the touch sensitivity on the screen. Again, it's just unfortunate that they still have very old equipment on this premium economy experience. So I'm really looking forward to the new premium economy cabin starting out later this year in 2025. And the second meal in the journey is breakfast, and we had omelette with bacon. Well, to be honest with you, it wasn't really worth writing home about. You get a fruit bowl, you get some yogurt, some jam on the side, bread, but it wasn't anything special. It's a 5 out of 10 in total. So after an 11-hour journey from Milan to Hong Kong, we finally arrived. To conclude, I really enjoyed the comfort of premium economy, although I was very disappointed with the in-flight entertainment system and the older interior. So I was definitely hoping for the new premium economy product, but unfortunately that wasn't provided on the flight, or it wasn't even launched yet at that time. Flight attendants were great. I always love the service they provide on Cathay Pacific, and in fact Cathay Pacific is one of my favorite airlines. And I'll continue to fly with them to Asia, around Asia. At the end of the day, I spent around £1,300 for the flight. Was it worth it? I don't think so, especially with the older product that was being provided on the flight with premium economy.
So finally arrived in Hong Kong after I think 10 or 11 hours of traveling from Milan. Only had slept for like 2.5 hours, so that's been good, I suppose. And now we're just gonna sort of wait for the flight now at 8:35 in the morning, and then head to the Philippines. So I'll see you guys in a bit.